Gayle wins US $221,000 in Australian defamation settlement.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
West Indies cricket star Gayle has been awarded Australian $300,000 or US $221,000 in damages 3 months after a jury found he was defamed in Australian newspaper articles in 2016 regarding allegations involving a female massage therapist, Leanne Russell. Justice Lucy McCallum levied the damages on Monday, December the 3rd, in a long-awaited ruling after a 4-person jury in the New South Wales State High Court found in October of 2017 that Fairfax Media had not established that Gayle had exposed himself in a team dressing room during a Sydney training session at the 2015 World Cup. The jury also found that Fairfax was motivated by malice, rejecting the media group's defense of qualified privilege, which argues the organization acted reasonably by publishing information which is in the public's interest. Fairfax Media said on Monday it will immediately appeal the decision. Justice McCallum awarded Gayle a single sum for a series of articles published in January 2016 in the Sydney Morning Herald, the Canberra Times and the Melbourne Age. Aggravated damages were not awarded, and the figure was at the lower end of recent defamation payouts and is within the statutory cap of Australian $389,500 on general damages for non-economic loss. The judge found imputations in the articles published by Fairfax went to the heart of Mr. Gayle's professional life as a batsman, but she agreed with Fairfax the allegations were not at the most serious end of the spectrum. In light of the jury's verdict, I am required to assess damages on the basis that the allegations of indecent exposure was not true and that the attribution of such conduct was very damaging to Mr. Gayle's reputation. Justice McCallum said Gayle's evidence that the articles had hurt his feelings was surprisingly compelling. A particular source of hurt were calls for Gayle to be banned from international cricket. Fairfax said it would appeal because it is concerned with the conduct of the trial. The jury was misled in a way that prejudiced Fairfax, and Fairfax did not get a fair trial, a spokesman said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.